basbousa. It is a traditional food from Arab countries such as Libya, Algeria, and many kind of countries. And I'll be introducing first our ingredients, and then we get our started with our food. So the first ingredient is we'll have our egg, white egg, and then 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of sugar, and 3/4, which is 75. Half, like not half, below half, not below half, like maximum, like not in the middle, like so it's 3/4. And then our mixing bowl with our our spoon and our baking powder. Make sure to put it all, and our semolina, 2 cups of semolina, 1 cup of flour, and our pan to put our food, our mixing ingredients here, and the glove that we pull out from the oven. Okay, and then before we get started on ingredients, we have to open our oven to degrees Celsius and heat. So you open your oven first, and then from 100 degrees Celsius, you take the temperature down to 200 degrees Celsius, and our pan heat must be at up and down heat, so must be open from here and must be open from down, and our cooling thing that you have to put it below. Yeah, so let me try to open it. Okay, and 30 minutes time. Okay, let's now get to start. So first we crack our egg. Okay, a mask safety for COVID-19 is spreading all over the world, such as China, Korea, many other countries. Okay, we put our egg, we mix a little bit, like for 20 or 10 seconds. So it will be just like this. You put your 1 cup of milk, all of it. Okay, and then you mix it a bit. Okay, and then you put your 1 cup of sugar, gently. Okay. Okay, and then you mix a little bit. The sugar is still not dissolved, so you will make it dissolve later by mixing. Okay. You put your 3/4 oil. It can be any kind of oil. And you put your semolina, 2 cups of semolina. Oh, I forgot to mix. Okay. So semolina, 2 cups. You have to focus at the measurements. Okay. Let's put 1 more cup to get it nice and smooth. And that will be enough for our semolina. Okay. Okay, now we mix it. Mix it until you get a little bit not like watery that much. We need it to be a watery, not too much. Okay, we almost forgot our flour, so 1 cup of flour. Taking a long time. Okay, our flour is done for today. Let's put it, mix it. Make sure that all the top of the food must be mixed down to not make your food spoil. And our last ingredient for today is our baking powder. There can be a bag of baking powder, or it can be a bottle, like half baking powder. I even have 2 baking powders, so I'm using this. So this is a French baking powder. Let's open it to make our soap a bit dissolve a bit, and taste this now. You have to put all of the pack. Okay, done. Now you mix it. It can be a bit hard to mix, but it's okay. You have to face every challenge that happens in the world. So you mix it. Make your sugar a bit dissolve. You can mix it gently or like this. I mix it fast. I don't like wasting my time. It takes quite a lot of time to mix it, and your hand might get tired, so maybe you could use like a machine. I don't like machines. Okay, so you're done, and now we have to put it at our pan. So when putting on your pan, make sure to have make it like a bit. So you see, I don't put it up here. If you put it up here, when your dough is getting up, it will overflow. So you have to put it like a bit down. So like when it goes up, when it goes up, it won't overflow. So let's start by moving our ingredients a bit further so we can have space. Okay, let's put this here. All right, mix it a little bit so it won't be runny. Okay. Even though, oh, it's stuck here. Okay. Even though you have a lot of dough in here, make sure you do not put it up a lot so it won't ever. Okay. So. Okay, once you're done, you spread it. Let me show you how. So when you just spread it a bit, make it relax, and yep. Now I will have to take this because the oven is too hot. Okay, now let's open our oven. Make sure to have an adult. Okay. And you take this. Let it be relaxed. So stay tuned to go to my next video, which is part 2 about how you make your syrup to put it on top so you can make it more delicious and smooth for your cake. Bye, see you later. Hi, my name is Masuda and welcome to part 2 to making the syrup for our basbousa. While letting our basbousa go on, we will put our masks. And so I'll be introducing our ingredients first. So we'll have lemon, we squeeze it. We put like 1 teaspoon, don't put a lot. We have our baking powder, same as last time. If you can put honey, if you don't have baking powder, but I don't have honey, so I'll be putting the baking powder. 1 cup of water, warm, okay, and 2 cups of sugar. And first we'll be putting our water. Make sure your bowl is still low for heating. Be careful. Okay. And then you put your sugar. Your sugar, you must put it in the middle so it doesn't it doesn't like make it doesn't be hard, like really heavy. Okay. Oh, there's still a lot here. Okay. Now we be putting our second one. Put it in the middle. Be careful. Yes. Okay. While it will be still while it's still doing, let the sugar be boiled up. We'll be doing our lemon, so like squeeze it. I have this squeezer with the squeezing top. It's blue, so we'll be squeezing. And don't make sure to put the seeds, because if you put the seeds, the seeds of the lemon is very effective. It's not really effective, but it's can make your syrup be more your syrup be like a dough. Like it combines everything together. It can be a dough. It's not really nice. Mask on again. Continue. See, I have this. See, so I'm not allowed to put this in. If I put this in, my syrup would be damaged. Okay, let's check if it's boiling. It's still doing, so we'll continue on. It's okay. Just leave this and take out our thing. So it's a little bit, you can see. It's like 1 teaspoon, because like for the lemon and mixed with the baking powder, it can make our honey. And when it make our honey, it can be really effective and make it nice and smooth for it to be bubble, to make it have bubbles. Okay, and while we were doing that, our basbousa is still being cooked at 200 degrees Celsius and up and down here. And if your thing is going down, you put it up again for like 30, because it says 30 minutes, so it's like 40 minutes. So something like 30 and 40. Okay, now I see that our honey, our sugar is still a bit up, so I think it's okay if you put our lemon. Put it even in the middle. Yes. Now we wait until it's boiled to put our like maximum to 5 minutes or 3 minutes, something like this. We can put our baking powder. So I have this baking powder. It's really effective and it can be used to make whipped cream and stuff, and it's from French. It's really effective and it can make cakes and stuff. Still waiting for another 5 minutes. We'll be just waiting for 5 minutes, I guess. Okay, bye. I'll make another video for part 3 about showing you how we can put our baking powder and how to put the syrup on top of your basbousa. Okay, so here we have a final product. Our basbousa is ready, but still missing our syrup. Our syrup will rest for 5 minutes. It's okay if you don't have baking powder. And now we'll be putting our syrup on the basbousa. Wait, if it's hot, you will need an adult to help. Okay, so we put it around. See how it looks. It will look nice if you put it around. Slowly and nice. See. Just put that more side because that's what has less. Okay, I think they all dissolved, so it's done. It's ready. So we leave our syrup aside. So this is how it looks like. And the fun part is that you can put any topping. So I have coconut. I don't know how you say it, but It's like coconut powder, something like that. And I have raisins. They're really nice raisins, and they're exported. Okay, so I'll start by putting this. A little bit you put. Okay, all around. Okay, so let me take my spoon. I need my help. You might need to spread it around to make it effect here. I put too much in the middle, I think, but it's okay. Okay, so this is our final product, but we're still missing our raisins. Put it all around. Yeah, spread it around. It's been really tough lately. Okay, it's okay. And this is our final basbousa of the day. I hope you guys like it, and I'm sure it will taste good after you eat your breakfast or your dinner or your lunch. It's a nice dessert. Okay, bye. See you next time.